Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for educational learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for today. The data is typically the same what we saw on Monday. All the same kind of pattern it is came. Only the difference is we have one bullish warning signal. Some of the data are interchange, but still two bearish with one volatile and one evenly poised. So evenly poised comes means there is a warning which gives all three directions are still possible. Nifty has full freedom to move, so you must have to go cautiously, play with the hedging method, and small and safe traders better avoid trading today except euro zero. You can play with the euro zero. So other than that, you must have to avoid trading. And 33.33, why we are concerned about these all three directions are equally poised with the even came whenever because Nifty has potential to go bullish or bearish unexpected turnaround from any level, so we can't able to predict easily. So that is the reason we are specifically asked to avoid trade on this kind of days for small traders, except Euro Zero. Euro Zero, if you are waiting both sides, that is fine because we are calculating the risk and play. Even though yesterday, what happens is after the low, Nifty has recovered sharply, but still not expect to the mark, but it has recovered very sharply and eaten the premium from the put option. And if you join in our group means you will come to know these things well in advance because we have given in between the market around 137 about the tomorrow's day, so we specifically giving the details well in advance as well. So that is where you will get the advantages so that you can join in our group as well. So, how we need to trade on this particular day? There is no change in the pending target. Still, both sides 15,901 on the downside is open. It is monthly target. There is no weekly target at all. And the weekly target we have 5 on the positive direction, and monthly we have 2. So, in total, we are having dominated by the positive sides, but still negative side we have wide range as well. So we must have to play with the edging method. Once again, it is preferable. Yesterday, we bought it edging method. We asked to exit somewhere around 2,500 for the safe exit, and high risk traders still ran around 5,000, but it has reduced and came down as well. So the safe exit we asked to exit somewhere around 2,500 itself, asked to book profit, and we asked bought 17,300 call option as well as a euro 010 to 14 points yesterday. It is still running. um, so today if gap up is happening means right now the HJ Nifty is showing 80 points, but still we may not know how the reopening is going to be. But as per the uh, bullish warning signal, one bullish warning signal came means how the market will react. Normally, the pattern is initially a fake up will happen, then after that, a huge fall down will happen. This is the pattern on the warning signal. One specifically bullish warning signal happens means, but still on this type of day, we have evenly poised means what happens is initially the fake up and then after a big fall we might expect because of this particular pattern, but still we need to watch out if the low is matching after a small fall down, it still happens to go bullish towards any direction. So in the evenly poised days we can't able to predict the same pattern will happen because normally the bullish warning signal comes means a fake up and then and the fall will happen in the big way. We have saw so many times 80% of the time it happens the same, but today it can go in the other way. It might fall down and still recover towards the bullish because of this evenly poised rule might take the market against us. So we can take some chances on the hero zero after a gap up. So for example, if 80 points gap up is there on the positive side means we can take small hero zero in the put option like 10 to 20.00 you can take and wait because we have downside 15,901, so we may not know or how far it will go. So you need to keep small tolerable risk put option if uh, pre-opening is in the gap up means, because even if this fails, it should not affect your trading on that particular day. So that kind of illusory you need to keep. Other than that, hedging method is always advisable. So hedging method, I'll explain you what kind of points you need to buy. So the method we knew, and the support and resistance level, anything above the volatile level 1, which is 0.2237 points and 16,951, anything above this level, Nifty is in the bullish zone. So positive average we have only 88 points. So the pre-opening itself, it is showing Nifty might have the chances to reach this particular level, and we need to watch out how the market is going to be. As per the pivot level, anything above the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go up. Yesterday, that is what happened. Nifty opened up below the pivot level, always try to go down. So yesterday, Nifty traded below the pivot level and stays in the pivot level as well. And we have a negative average on the big number 1.50%, 254 points, 16,733. So that is the reason we are asking to go for hedging method as well with the evenly poised comes means. And we have 80% target is in the range of 1.41% on the negative side, 239 points, 16,748. So the condition is Nifty must have to open in the negative at least even 1 point. Then only this particular negative side target, 80% target will get active. Otherwise, this will not get active. The chances will become 50-50, and sometimes it might fail as well. So watch out. The pre-opening is there. Yesterday, the pre-opening is supported with the negative. So that is the reason downtrend target has closed on the 80%. So watch out that as well. And anything below the volatile 2, which is in the bearish zone, 0.76%, 16,859. So these are all the basic rules, and other basic rule which we need to remember is resistance level 1 and support level 1. So if the support level 1 is not able to break 16,949 minus 10 points, which is minus 10 points from that particular level, which is 16,939. So this key level is not able to break 33. So 33, but round off 30. So if lower side this particular level is not breaking, watch out this particular key level. If lower side is not breaking, Nifty has potential to go any level towards bullish. So it still has potential to go any level. Likewise, the same if pre-opening is not able to break this particular level, but today the SGX Nifty is showing Nifty will open somewhere around 42 to 88. So this resistance level stop loss will get hit automatically if it is opens gap up like that. So 16,993 plus 10 points. So plus 10 points. This is another rule. So 17,003. So this particular level is high breaking, and it will not work. So it should not break this particular high. If it is not breaking, then the Nifty will go down towards any level. So these are all the other basic rules. So where the pre-opening is going to be like that, we need to watch out. So if pre-opening is less than this, if pre-opening is opening less than this and not able to break this level, then Nifty will go bearish. These are all the other rules. And the volatile stop loss rule, anything pre-opening in between opens the volatile, and volatile stop loss is not able to break plus 10 points, minus 3 point perfect range. Then Nifty has potential to fall down heavily. Likewise, the same the bearish as well. So this particular level, Nifty is not able to break minus. Sorry, here it is plus 10 points and minus the 3 points, and here minus 10 points and plus 3 points. So from this particular level, minus 10 points, if it is not breaking the low, then Nifty has potential to recover. This is the volatile stop loss rule. So the basic rules remains the same, but we need to play only with the hedging method. But The other rule which the other rule which shows that par value, anything above the par value, Nifty will try to go up. So anything above this par value, Nifty will try to go up 17,187, so 189 points. If pre-opening is below this level, Nifty will try to come down. So downside is having heavy number 713, 16 to 74. So we need to watch out the par value pre-opening where it is going to be. But as per the volatile rule from the par value, as per the volatile rule, Nifty is having chances to trade in the positive target 2 to negative target 2, which is in the flat positive, then negative side is heavier 400 points. So this is the one more reason we asked to go for hedging method, because of evenly poised we may not know this 33.33 rule how the Nifty will behave. So as per the bullish warning signal, we knew that it will go fake up then fall down heavily. This is the basic fundamental happening on the regular basics around 80% of the time. So remaining 20% of the time, it is not happening in this manner on the bullish warning signal. So today it might fail this pattern, but still if it is happens, well and good, because we are going to keep one put option as a 0 0 20 points. It might go from 20 to 100 or even beyond that level on the put option side. So if it is happens the same, we will fine and good. But if it is not happen, then the 0 0 might lose, but still it is a tolerable price, so that is fine. But play with a cautious, no, don't buy too much on this kind of day. Um, so play with the hedging method. And the other data which shows anything above the 16,952 Nifty will always try to go up, but the numbers are not good. It still has potential to close in the negative, like that. It shows 18, 118 points, and in the flat positive. So typically this one bullish warning signal rule pattern after a fake up, the heavy fall down will happen. That kind of things happens when Nifty is still potential to go 118 points, like that. This particular data is showing. So uh, Nifty is still having potential to fall down, like that, still showing. So how we need to trade on this particular day? You can take call option side similarly 100 points after cap up. So put option side 20 points you can add on. So this kind of method in the put option slightly advantage, call option slightly lower side. Why? Because the pattern after the bullish warning signal, uh, it might fall down. This is the pattern 80% of the time works, so that you can add on a little bit at the same time. If it is fails, then if it not happens, it is goes bullish, then still we have the potential to go. So small advantage 10 points, 20 points. Equally also you can bet 100 points, that is fine. But this bullish warning signal rule, so that you can add on small on the combination, because yesterday we bought equally combination. It gave some good results, as well as we expected 1,000 rupees profit to 3,000 profit, the safe exit profit easily given yesterday. So that is what the equal amount of hedging method, if you do on this type of days, you have the chances to exit with minimum 1,000 rupees. In the previous video I have said wrongly about 1,000 points. It is not 1,000 points, it is 1,000 rupees. So if I do error like that, please forgive me. So 1,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees profit you can able to make this kind of combination if you are buying today as well. So I specifically ask my clients to exit 1,000 rupees every day if you are getting. So that is the best safe method to play. On yesterday, the high and low which matched perfectly, so that it has recovered from the low and it has started to move up as well. So the lower side, which is 16,828, which is exactly matching 16,829 below 1 point. So this particular level, support level 1, it has started support strongly. It has broken each and every level. We have saw every now and then it is matching because the even evenly poised day, how it will behave, we may not know where we will get support. It will break and break and break, somewhere it will get support. So that is where the evenly poised day we need to keep patience and wait how the support will get. After the support, it has recovered almost uh, 1000 after the support it has recovered 170 points from the low. So 16,988 it has closed. So from that particular level it has sharply recovered because the high is not broken this particular uh, 17,662 level. See, 17,666 plus 10 points of plus level. So the basic rule always works minus 10 points from this particular level. So plus 3 point perfect range and minus 3 point perfect range. So this particular level exactly matching. Anything below the pivotal Nifty will always try to go down. So that every rule is supported, and the R1 rule is also supported because R1 rule 17,001 not 5. So Nifty is still below that particular level. So if every rule is supported, so that you can watch out the rules, and if it is matching exactly the same, it will help you how to trade. So yesterday pivot level Nifty traded well below with the stop loss. That particular level it has went below and broken each and every levels, and we had a 80% target around 0.93%. Even anyone had put option in hand after the 33 points pre-opening, then it has fallen down sharply 120 points, so you would have booked decent profit as well. So today's summary. So today's summary, once again we had a same kind of pattern: two bearish and one volatile and one evenly poised. So evenly poised comes means we need to play with cautious notes because of this pattern. Nifty has all directions equally poised, so that it is not going to be easy to predict the market. So must have to go with the hedging method. But we had one bullish warning signal. So the bullish warning signal comes means initially a fake up will happen, then fall down rapidly. This is the pattern, but still today, as per this pattern, you need to keep one small put option like tolerable price. I specifically asked to buy 10 to 20, but according to your risk appetite you can buy whatever risk you want as a hero zero if gap up is happening. But still it might go stay in the bullish as well. That is what I would like to say. So if it stays bullish, then this fall will not happen. It will go, small correction will come, then it will go once again bullish. So play safe with the hero zero pattern only. Other than that, the hedging method is advisable. And we have five positive target still in hand: 17 to 23 and 17 to 49. This is the these three will be focused. Then after closing this 17 to 58, then only we need to focus on 17 8 14. So watch out as well. One small call option you can keep, we having 17 300 call option as a hero zero for a week tenure. Positive average is there around 88 points, but negative average is having huge number 254. So that hedging method is advisable. But still Nifty, anything openings above this level, Nifty is in the bullish zone 17,141 above pre-opening. But anything below 16,859, then only bearish in control. Anything above, in between those two levels, it is in the volatile zone. So we need to play according to that. And the par value, anything above 16,730 par value, Nifty will try to go 17,187. Anything below 16,730 par value pre-opening, then Nifty will try to go down 16,270. So this might not happen because of the par value is too much down, but still we need to keep hedging method because of the downside target is very much heavier. The downside target we have 2 and the positive side target we have 7. So still Nifty has potential to recover, but still we need to play cautiously with the hedging method. And once again, CPR is typically saying the same bullish. Yesterday also saying shown the same, but the Nifty has fallen down. So CPR rule we still have CPR rule we still following, but still we need to play cautiously today as well because of yesterday the same CPR shown bullish, but still Nifty followed heavily. So as per this evenly poised rule, we must have to go with the edging method, and we had one volatile as well. So 80% target we have around 1.41%, 239 points, 16,748 range we have, but this particular rule Nifty pre-opening must have to be in the negative. If it is in the positive means the chances will become 50-50. Sometimes it still fail also. So today we are expecting that the pre-opening is going to be in the positive, so this might have the chances to fail, but still having chances to hit as well because of that 33.33 rule. So play safe with the hedging methods, and don't play too much risk. It might eat your money. As per the volatile rule, Nifty still has potential to go big numbers on the downside. So that is where we are having and we are asking to go for a hedging method specifically. And the conclusion is on this particularly the best way to trade is hedging method, and small and safe traders better avoid trading except 0 0. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Tuesday. Thank you.